Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to delete messages on Plenty of Fish. So, in order to do this, first of all, navigate to any browser on a PC, go to the search bar, type in POF, hit enter and log into this website, that is Plenty of Fish. Now click on login button and log into Plenty of Fish using your user credentials. After logging in, you will see this page. Here, you'll have to simply click on the inbox icon at the top of the screen. So first of all, you have to make sure you have an already existing conversation. Now, you'll have to click on the inbox icon. It will show up this page. We'll have to click on the send messages button at the top and it will show up your conversations. Now click on any conversation and that conversation will open up. You'll have to simply click on the three-dotted icon just at the top of any conversation you want to delete. Now when you click on the three-dotted icon, it will show up this menu at the top where you'll have to simply choose delete conversation from these three options. After you click on delete, you would have successfully deleted that specific message on Plenty of Fish. So that's how you delete messages on Plenty of Fish. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.